Is day trading emotionally more challenging, less challenging? What's your take then?
I would say it's more of a grind than swing trading, really. So you definitely have to make sure that you are in peak state every session, right? If you don't feel on top of your game, you just don't trade that day. That's just the way it is. As a swing trader, you can always, even if you're not feeling well, even if you're maybe hungover, you can still do your watch list and wait for the trade to come to you. Like, it's okay. But as a day trader, you just have to, yeah, it's really more of a performance art than anything else, and high performance sports, and you just have to be on top of your game all the time. So I think day trading, it demands more from a trader. On the other hand, we have more downtime. So when we are done with our session, we are done, and we can do whatever we want and just forget about the trading day. So we have those 20 roughly hours between each session. For a swing trader, obviously, most of the time you are in a trade. It goes up and down, your P&L fluctuates, you have to sleep when you're in a trade. And so that's another mentally taxing thing. So I think both come with their very own challenges. And in the end, it's just about, as Mark Manson said, what shit sandwich you want to eat.
Right. There's always
really like
yes, you always have to make some sacrifice.
Yes.
Yeah. I think this is also because in our mentoring group, I think this is one of the unique things. You do the day trading, I do the swing trading, and the students we mentor, they have access to both at the same time. So they can really dip their toes into each system, try it out, see which one feels better to them, and then commit to one or the other without having to go from system to system to system. I think in general, it's very important to try out a day trading approach once, try out a swing trading approach for a few months, and then see which one you feel more natural. Because as you said, there's no better or worse. Swing trading has a lot of pros, but also a lot of cons. You need to really learn to sit on your hands. You need to be patient, waiting for a trade, but also when you're in a trade. So yeah, there's both pros and cons.